channel and welcome to my kitchen. This is Ipek. Today I'm here to show you another recipe. But before we go to recipe and all other stuff, I want you to go ahead and subscribe my channel and you can share my videos. I will be really happy. And if you want to see good Turkish cuisine recipes or other recipes all around the world, follow me and you're going to see new videos every week. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we are going to make another Turkish recipe, but we are going to make it dessert. But this dessert is not a traditional Turkish dessert. This is people just making a Turkey. I don't know where it comes from. I don't know if it is even just in Turkish cuisine or there's another cuisine that making the same recipe. If you guys making something like that, let me know in the comments please, because I would like to hear from you guys. So we are going to see our ingredients. Especially I want to show you this recipe because it literally takes like 10 or 15 minutes to prepare. It's delicious, and all these ingredients we are going to see, all of them you can find at your home. There's only one thing, that this biscuit, this is the one biscuit that I bought from Turkish market. It calls Tbsp, but you can use one of the basic simple biscuit you can find in store in your home, doesn't matter. We have sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cacao we are going to use, 1 cup of milk. Also I have here 1 stick of butter, 1 stick plus half tablespoon of butter. I'm going to start heating my butter because I need that over there. While that is heating, what I'm going to do is take a bowl, get your biscuit. Okay, one biscuit is like this big. I am just using my hand and like 4 pieces, making 4 pieces from one biscuit with my hand. You can make 3, 5, doesn't matter, but don't make it too small because we are going to make a sauce and mix with the sauce together. If you make it too small, biscuit is going to melt inside the sauce. That's what we don't want. In this recipe, one thing we want is while we are eating, we want to feel that crispy texture from the biscuit. We want to feel that. My butter melt. I'm adding my sugar. Cacao. Then our milk. The thing here is to melt sugar and make sure everything is combined together, every ingredient in this sauce. But we don't really want to boil it, so we don't want too hot. My sauce is ready, my sugar melt, everything combined together, so I don't want too hot. Anyway, I'm just gonna take it. Okay, my sauce is ready, biscuits are ready, and I'm going to just combine them together. I know this doesn't look so good right now, so delicious. I have still some liquid here, and we want this. We want this. And my biscuits are still in a big pieces, like you can see. Some of them are not, but some of them are. So we want this exactly. What we are going to do, I want you to go ahead and take a pan. It can be like this, it can be another different shape, doesn't matter really. I'm going to pour everything in this pan and cover it, and I'm going to put it in my freezer. Let it stay in the freezer for like 1-2 hours. It's going to freeze, and biscuits are going to take all the juices in it, and the rest of it are going to freeze, and it's going to make a little like a cacao cake. Don't wait too long because we don't want biscuit to get too soft here. Like I said before, we want that crunchy texture from the biscuit. Use some plastic wrap to cover it and put in the freezer. I just took out from the freezer, and this is the best time actually to eat this. You can see I cut a little piece for myself. You can see the texture. It is beautiful and delicious. Now it's time to try. Really good. This is so good. Try this recipe and let me know if you try it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. See you guys in the next video. I'm going to have more other videos that you will like it. There are going to be different recipes from Turkey, from other countries. Just something made up like leftover recipe that I had before. If you don't see the other recipes that I have, you can go ahead and check my YouTube channel, my blog. See you guys. Bye bye.